Hello everyone. In today's video I'll show you how to change the key fob battery on a BMW F10. F10 runs from 2011 to 2016 5 series. All models have the same key fob. There are other models with these key fobs as well, the F30 3 series, and I believe for the E70 X5 as well. So it's an upgrade from the previous generation. It looks a little different than the E60 5 series key fob and the E90, 92, 91 3 series generation as well. So for this you need a CR2450 battery that you can purchase from anywhere. I bought this specifically from Walmart. You can also get it from Amazon and many other stores as well. So first thing first is you have to turn it over and then push this button right here. It's at the top. That takes out the spare key, the metallic key out from the fob. Then when you look at the top of it, where the key came from, so you just put your key in there, but you don't put it the usual way. You can put it in a different, like in a vertical way, and just push it at the top like this, like that, and then the back cover is released. See, that's how easy it is. And then you expose the battery compartment where you can see that CR2450. Then you just need a little small flathead to just put it through and then push it out. A little bit of wiggling should, oh, it flew away. Anyway, that's how it comes out. And you just go through the reverse process to install it. Let me pause the video. Okay, I remove the casing for the new battery and then just take it out. I think it has a double packaging over here, so I have to just, I think it just comes out easier that way. See, it's giving me a little bit of struggle. Should come out. Alright, so the battery is out. It's a pretty hefty battery. In my F10 it was giving me prompt every time I start the car. It says battery low, so that prompted me to do this. So now you put the cover back, make sure it sits everywhere nicely, and then you just put your metal key in. All good to go. Thank you for watching.